everyone, and welcome to another day of the Indigenous Kindergarten Math Scholars. I'm Miss Olivia, and let's begin with our math meeting board. Alright, so we're going to start with our calendar, and we're still in the month October, and today is October 13th, and it is Wednesday. Okay, let's go through our days of the week. Let's say them together. Everyone ready? Let's start with Sunday. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. We go down here to our seasons. We're still in the fall season, and we'll be going to winter, and then spring, and then summer. Let's say our months together. Starting with January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Let's move on to our coins. You see up here our coins. You see our penny. How much is a penny worth? 1 cent. A penny is worth 1 cent. Let's look at our nickel. Anyone know how much our nickel is worth? 5 cents. Our nickel is worth 5 cents. Okay, let's look at our dime. Our dime is worth 10 cents. Okay, let's look at our quarter. How much is a quarter worth? 25 cents. If you could look down at our clock, what hand is our clock pointing to? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 6 o'clock. Get our dry erase marker and we can put 6 o'clock because the little hand is pointing at the 6. So that means it is 6 o'clock. Let's move on to our hundredths chart. Everyone have your hundredths chart in front of you. Get this out, have it in front of you. And we can count 1 to 10. Okay, everyone have your pointer finger up. I'm going to use this pointer finger. Let's count 1 to 10. Everyone ready? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, just like before, let's look at the numbers. Everyone get your pointer finger and let's look at the number 4. Okay, what's 1 less than 4? Take away 1, 3. So 3 is 1 less than 4. Okay, let's pick another number. Everyone point to the number 7. What's 1 more than 7? 1 more than 7 is 8. Okay, let's do 1 more. Let's look at the number 10. What's 1 less than 10? 1 less than 10 is 9. Okay, let's look at our number of the day. Our number of the day is 14. Double-digit number with 1 and a 4, which make up 14. Okay, so if we look over here, everyone has a number line. So if everyone can get out their number line and have this number line right in front of you, looks exactly like this, 0 to 10. Miss Olivia will wait for you to get your number line out. Okay, so everyone have this right in front of you. I'm going to mark a number. So let's see. You don't have to mark a number. You can watch me do it. Okay, I'm going to mark the number 7. I'm going to put a dot on the number 7. So what's 1 less than 7? 6. 1 less than 7 is 6. Okay, Let's look at 7. What's 1 more than 7? Look over here. 1 more than 7 is 8. Let's pick another number. Let's pick the number 3. I'm going to put a dot above the number 3. Okay, what's 1 more than 3? You put up your fingers. 1 more than 3. You add a finger. How much do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 more than 4, 1 more than 3 is 4. What's 1 less than 3? So you have your 3 fingers up and you take 1 away. How much do you have? 1, 2. So 1 less than 3 is 2. Let's look at another number. Let's look at the number 9. So I'm going to put a dot at the number 9. What's 1 less than 9? 8. 8 is 1 less than 9. What's 1 more than 9? 10. All right, so 1 more than 9 is 10. Okay, let's pick another number. Let's pick 1. I'm going to put a dot above the number 1. What's 1 less than 1? If you look over here, 0. 0. What's 1 more than 1? So if we have 1 finger up and we add 1 more, how much do we have? 1, 2. So 1 more than 1 is 2. Let's pick one more number. Okay, let's look at the number 6. Okay, what's 1 more than 6? 7. 7 is 1 more than 6. What's 1 less than 6? You have 6 fingers up. We take away 1. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 less than 6 is 5. Okay, that is our number line. And that was our math meeting today. So I'm going to flip the board around. Everyone have your number 13, your lesson 13 centers and worksheets out while I flip around the math meeting board. Okay, so our center today is 1 less and 1 more. So for the center, we will be needing our dry erase marker and our dry erase eraser. So if you go into your pencil box and get these 2 supplies out and have them ready, because we will be using these today. Okay, Miss Olivia will wait for you. And I can show you what we're going to be doing today with this center. Okay, everyone ready? Everyone good to go? Okay, so we got these 2 supplies out. We're going to look at our worksheet center. And as you can see, this one's a little different. This one's more shiny, and we can write on this with our dry erase eraser. And this is the only marker that you can use on this worksheet. Okay, so I'm going to write the number 5. You can see I wrote that, and we're going to get our dry erase eraser, and we're just going to erase that. Look at that. That is so awesome. We can erase it, and we can draw on it. Okay, so now that I showed you that, let's look at our center directions. So our center directions say watermelon seeds. So pick a watermelon card. It's right here. You'll have a Ziploc bag with watermelon cards. Write the number in the middle. Write the number that is 1 less and 1 more. Draw the correct number of seeds on each watermelon. Okay, so down here it says write on and wipe off, just like how I showed you. An example is right here. So we're going to look at our watermelon cards. We're going to pick one. Okay, so I'm going to pick a watermelon card. I'm going to pick this one, and we're going to place it in the middle. Okay, how many watermelon seeds do you see on this watermelon? Let's count them. There are 1, 2. So we're going to write the number 2 under where it says my number. We're going to write the number 2. So you write the number 2, then we're going to look over here like we did on our math meeting board, 1 less and 1 more. We're going to be doing that today on our center. So we have the number 2. So what is 1 less than 2? We have 2 fingers up, we take 1 away, we have 1. So 1 less than 2 is 1. So we're going to write a number 1 right there, and we're going to draw 1 watermelon seed on our watermelon. Okay, let's look over here. What is 1 more than 2? Have 2 fingers up and you add 1 more. How many fingers do we have up? 1, 2, 3. So 1 more than 2 is 3. So we're going to write the number 3 right here, and then we're going to draw 3 watermelon seeds. Okay, we did 1, let's do another one. I'm just going to use our dry erase eraser, and we're going to erase this so we can try another one. Okay, so let's look at this card. I'm going to place this card in the middle. Let's count the watermelon seeds on this card. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 watermelon seeds, so we're going to write the number 6 right there. So what is 1 less than 6? All right, put your fingers up, 6 fingers, 1 less, take away 1. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 less than 6 is 5. We're going to write the number 5 right here. And then we're going to draw 5 watermelon seeds. Okay, so what is 1 more than 6? 7. So we're going to write the number 7 right here, and then we're going to draw in 7 watermelon seeds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's do 1 more. Get a dry erase eraser, erase these. Okay, let's pick this one. Okay, put this card in the middle. Let's count the watermelon seeds. You have 1, 2, 3. There are 3 watermelon seeds. So we're going to write the number 3 right here. Okay, so what's 1 more than 3? Let's do the fingers. So we have 3 fingers. Let's add 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 more than 3 is 4. So we're going to write the number 4 right here. And then we're going to draw 4 seeds in this watermelon. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so what is 1 less than 3? 3 fingers up, take away 1. We have 1, 2. So 1 less than 3 is 2. Put 2 right there, and we're going to draw 2 watermelon seeds. 1 and 2. Okay, I did 3 with you. You guys can do the rest at home for extra practice. Just make sure that you use this marker on this worksheet, okay? No other marker can be used on this worksheet except your dry erase marker, so that you can erase it and use this worksheet over and over again whenever you want to do this for extra practice. Okay, that was our center. Let's go on to our worksheets. Okay, so what you'll have in your folder is 3 worksheets, and the one I want you guys to look at right here is the find and count. So everyone had this worksheet right in front of you. It has all these beautiful animals on there. It says find and count, numbers 2 through 9. All right, Miss Olivia will wait for you to get this worksheet out. I'm gonna read the directions. Count each item in the picture, write the number below. Okay, so with this worksheet, we're going to be using our color pencils. So go in your pencil box and take out your color pencils. You can use any color you want. I just picked these random colors right here. You can use any color that you want. Okay, let's look down here. Let's look at, we have the coyotes, the horses, the sheep, the raindrops, and the butterflies. So like the directions say, count each item in the picture, write the number below. So let's look for coyotes. Okay, I'm going to use my orange color pencil, and we're going to count how many coyotes that we see in this picture. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have 6 coyotes. So under coyotes down here, we're going to write the number 6. So I can put the number 6 right there. Okay, next we have horses. Let's count how many horses there are. So I'm going to use the color red. Let's count the horses. So we have 1, 2, 3. I see 3 horses. So we're going to write the number 3 below. Sheep. Let's count how many sheep we see. I'm going to use the color blue. So, how many sheep do you see on this worksheet? We have 1, and we have 2. There's 2 sheep. So we're going to write the number 2. Does anyone have sheep? Does anyone go on the res and you see sheep? You see just like a herd of sheep. You see the dogs trying to roll in the sheep so they can go home. I think sheep are so cute. And you know that they use the wool to weave, or you can use the wool to like a carpet or like a bed type of thing. You can sleep in your hogan. Okay, let's move on to raindrops. I'm going to use the color yellow. So let's count the raindrops that we see. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. There are 4 raindrops. So we're going to come down here and we're going to write the number 4. Cannot really see that. I'm going to get this one and I'm going to write the number 4. Okay, last one is butterflies. Let's count the butterflies, and we're going to use the color green. Okay, let's count the butterflies. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count again. I forgot to mark them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 butterflies. So we're going to come down here. Under where it says butterflies, we're going to write the number 9. And these butterflies look like Hopi butterflies. You can see the design on them. They look so pretty. Anyone ever seen a Hopi butterfly like necklace or earrings? They look so pretty. Okay, let's go to this worksheet. Since we're done with this one, let's go to this one. It says number practice. So for this worksheet, we will need our pencils. So everyone have a pencil in your hand? Get out a pencil from your pencil box. We'll be needing that supply for this worksheet. And the directions say, write the number in the correct column. So let's look down here. The numbers 6 through 10. So let's trace these numbers, starting with 6. All right, everyone have their pencil in their hand? Everyone ready to go? Okay, let's begin. Let's trace the number 6. So we're gonna start at the top and then come together. Number 6. Let's go to 7. Trace the number 7. Gonna go across and then go down. Make a number 7. Let's go to 8. Gonna come around, go back up, make a number 8. What's one more than 8? 9. So we're gonna go trace the number 9. So we're gonna make a little circle, stop, and then we're gonna make a line down, be number 9. What's one more than 9? 10. So let's trace the number 10. We're gonna have a 1 straight down. We're gonna make a circle, which will be a 0. Together, 1 and 0 make 10. Okay, let's do another line. Okay, let's trace the number 6. But we won't be tracing the number 6, we'll be drawing the number 6. Okay, let's write the number 6 right on top of it. So we're gonna come up, go down, and make a circle, be number 6. Let's go to 7. Let's write the number 7. So we're gonna go have a short line, stop right there, and then we're gonna come down, make a number 7. Number 8. All right, you can do 8, you can draw 8 in two ways. You can do like the coming around, going back into a little circle and coming back up, or the other way is making a little circle like that and then coming down below again and making another circle and connecting it, and that will be a number 8. Okay, let's look at our number 9. Let's write the number 9. We can have a straight line down like that, and then we can make a little circle and connect it. That'll be your number 9. 10. Let's go to 10. So we'll have 1 straight line down, and then we'll have a 0 and a circle, and then it makes 10. Okay, I did 2 with you. I would like for you to fill out the rest by yourself at home for extra practice, so we can go on to our next worksheet, which is number words. Okay, so everyone have this worksheet right in front of you, number words, and it looks like we'll be doing some cutting and pasting. The directions say count, cut, and paste to match. So in our pencil box, you'll be needing your scissors and your glue stick. So everyone have these out and ready to use. Okay. So this is the section that we'll be cutting out. I will take mine off the board so I can show you. We'll be cutting this part out. Cut along the dotted lines. All right, gonna put this one back on the board. Okay, so we're going to be cutting these number words out. Okay, you can cut them by yourself, or you can have a parent help you and cut them out. There's a lot of numbers this time. We'll be going 1 through 10. And we've gone through number words. You can see the number words 1 through 10. Okay. Keep cutting them out. Cutting out 8, 9, and 10. Okay. I finished cutting mine out. If you need some extra time, Miss Olivia will wait for you. Okay. Have your glue stick ready, because we're going to be pasting a lot of numbers today. Okay, so if you look at the worksheet, you see some fish. Okay, so I guess we're going to be counting some fish, and we're going to be putting the number word. Okay, so I'm going to pick the number word 1. This is the number word 1. So we have O-N-E. That spells 1. Okay, I'm going to put some glue in the back of this, and we're going to look in our first section that has 1 fish, and we're going to put the word 1 because there is 1 fish. Okay, so let's look in this box. How many fish are in this one? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 fish swimming. So we're going to look for the number word 5. I have it right here. So it's F-I-V-E. That spells 5. I'm going to put some glue in the back of that one. And we're going to paste it where it says number 5. Okay, let's look at this one. This one right here. Let's count how many fish are in this tank. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 fish right here. So we're going to look for the card that says 10, which is T-E-N. We're going to put some glue in the back of that one. And we're going to put 10 right here because there are 10 fish. T-E-N. Okay, let's look right here. How many fish do you see? There are 1, 2, 3. There are 3 fish, so we're going to get the card that has the number word 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. And then we're going to put some glue on that one. And we're going to put the number word by the 3 fish. T-H-R-E-E. Spells 3. Okay, let's go to this one. Let's count the fish. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 fish. So let's look for the card that says 7. This is this one, and it's S-E-V-E-N. Spells 7. We're gonna get our glue, put some in the back of that one, and then we're going to paste that right there. 7. S-E-V-E-N. Spells 7. Okay, I did one row with you. I want you guys to do the other row for extra practice at home. And which one was your favorite worksheet today? I like this one because it had all these animals. We got to count them. So I hope you guys enjoyed our center and our worksheets today, and I'll see you on another day of Indigenous Kindergarten Math Scholars. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye!